guys, and it's day 10, 20, 30, 40? 40 already? Think I've lost count. Anyways, today I don't know what to talk about, so I might have to use my budger. So, anyways, if this time doesn't work, I'm gonna have to go downstairs and get it myself. Anyways, it at least worked, but it's a bit rusty. Anyways, if we open this up and take one out, introduce everybody to Nano. Are you worthy to see him? Of course you are. You're my followers. So, oh my word. Oh, it's worked. Okay, so here's Nano. He's a blue and orange drone pro. And yeah, let's get playing with him. And remember guys, distance. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Oh, yikes. Take two. Okay, don't hit me. Oh, no. Woo. Right guys, that was terrible, and now I think I'm gonna have to get used to flying it in a tight spot thanks to the coronavirus, and the coronavirus is tight itself. Anyways, if you like this video, subscribe and press the like button. Till next time guys, peace out.